In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign account, a quick and easy process that we'll navigate together. DocuSign is a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it an invaluable tool for personal, legal, or business needs. Let's dive in and get you set up with your own account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the DocuSign website. If you're unfamiliar with the URL, simply search for DocuSign in any search engine and you should find it easily. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Though labeled Login, don't worry if you don't have an account yet. This is where the sign-up process also begins. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with a screen that gives you the option to sign in. Instead of entering any login credentials, direct your attention to the option labeled Sign Up for Free and click on it. This will lead you to the initial registration page. Here, the first piece of information you'll need to provide is your email address. It's crucial to use an email you have regular access to, as DocuSign will send crucial account information and updates to this address. Enter your email in the designated field. Once you've entered your email, you will see a button labeled Get Started. Clicking on this will trigger the next step in the registration. Now head over to your email inbox. You should find an email from DocuSign prompting you to verify your email address. Open this email and follow the instructions provided to complete the verification step. It's essential to complete this action as it confirms your identity and email address validity. Without verification, you won't be able to activate your account. Once you've verified your email, you'll be redirected back to DocuSign to add some additional information. This typically includes basic personal details such as your name and perhaps a password for security purposes. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember but others cannot easily guess. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, follow the on-screen guidance to proceed. After you have entered all your information and successfully submitted it, you'll be ready to start